when you and your mom are matching and y'all didn't even discuss it. Say hi to the tube. This is for YouTube. Say hi. That's my mother. Tell them what yesterday was.
Yesterday was my queen's 24th birthday.
If she calls me a queen,
I wish her all the happiness, health, wealth in this world. God bless you.
She's not usually like this. Why are you hitting? Okay, well. Good morning, you guys. It's been a very long time since I made a video, but good morning. How's everybody doing? I hope you guys are all doing great. So, yesterday was my birthday. I turned a whole 24 years old. Yes, old. I'm old. I'm dunning abrewa. For those of you that don't know, that means I'm turning very old. Essentially, I'm very blessed. I'm very grateful to God that another year has been added onto my life. I'm very appreciative. I can't talk. I'm very appreciative to friends and family that wished me a happy birthday, and that always got my back, always ride for your girl. Essentially, what this video is, it's just gonna be a brief, like, kind of weekend situation. I'm spending my birthday weekend in New York with some friends and kind of gonna take you guys on the journey with me. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can on my iPhone because I don't want to take my camera. It's too hold on, you guys, I don't know if you've seen the camera. It's this big and I haven't gotten a vlog camera yet, so that's in the works. But I'm gonna take the phone and try to get as much footage as I can and have you guys join me on my birthday weekend, on my weekend situation, yeah. And I thought it would just be a fun vlog, as I've only had one. So yeah, that's that's it. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure you like, comment, and hit the notification bell so you know anytime I post. My eyebrows are done. Look at that, you guys. My eyebrows will not deceive you this time. I went to go and get it done. And my nails. Look, yo, my nail lady snapped. What? She was not playing with y'all. Look at that. Oh, look at, she was not playing. Look at the gold, rose gold foil. Like, nah. She was like, she did not come out to play with y'all. So all packed up, it's just a 2-night situation. So I don't think I'm overly packed, but some will say I'm overly packed. This bag has my makeup. This has my clothes, my overnight situations. This is my messenger bag, which, by the way, I got from Savers for like $4.99. And I really like it just because of the Egyptian kind of like illustrations on there. What are they? Hieroglyphic? Let me not come and embarrass myself. But yeah, it's really cute. A really cute messenger bag. Got my little fur situation, all my shoes on deck and my got to be glue, because that's just what happened in this weekend. So yeah, that is everything, and I'm all packed up. Also, really quick, I don't know how many of you guys have been put onto this situation right here. This situation specifically, the Welch's passion fruit. I gotta commend my friend Sandra for putting me on like a while ago. It's like divine. It's amazing. It tastes so good. Probably shouldn't be drinking it because I'm on a healthy kind of situation. Well, not this weekend, but like, this is really, really good. It's the only juice I drink. If I am to drink juice, it's really like the passion fruit kind. Nothing else but passion fruit. I like the Welch's grape juice, but I know lately it's just been this for me. And anyway, I don't know how many Black households have this, but there was like a Twitter poll, and I think somebody said like if this is one of the juices that once like somebody buys it for the house, like it's gone in a day. And I promise you, it's so true. My mom bought this like yesterday, and I bet you, well, I'm not here this weekend, but I bet she was gonna be gone before I come back. So anyway, putting you guys on. Welch's sponsored me. Send me more of these for free if you would like. Yeah, it's really delicious.
And I don't know if she'll be back again.
What was I trying to sneak in?
And though I try to be your man, it's not easy for me to watch her go. Now I know today is never promised tomorrow.
Hey. Hey. When you get snatched up. We're ready. Hey. My wig, guys. They snatched my scarf off my head. But you guys, this is so nice. More shut down hot. Look at the room. Wow. Why are you people laughing at my YouTube video?
Because
hold on.
listen,
this is the closet. Sorry, I'm Jackie Aina today. Oh wow, okay. And then what's this door? Oh, this is just like some utility.
I saw that too. That was stupid looking. You know, it was just hanging before. No,
bathroom.
Don't worry. I'll figure it out.
Little smaller room.
She will get in charge.
Is this a Tempur-Pedic like bed?
That's
oh
so
wow.
dope. You feel that shit?
Yeah. I might not wake up.
Yeah, this is okay.
Are you really vlogging?
Huh?
Yes, I'm vlogging. Sorry, YouTuber. Look at this closet. I'm living out my Jackie Aina dreams, man.
Really? Your birthday was over yesterday.
It wasn't. It's birthday weekend. Little brick fireplace situation. One day. Because
Y'all all in school too? What school y'all going to school?
some of us graduated.
Oh, guys. All right.
Irene. And this big open space kind of living room. We've already messed this place up already. And then the kitchen. I guess we arrived early, even though it told us check-in was at 3. So the cleaner is still cleaning up, but look at, oh my gosh, so nice. And a little patio type of area. In the Airbnb, it had furniture out here, but I'm guessing because it was winter time, they took it inside. Well, you guys, even this is nice for a photo shoot. Oh my gosh. And that ends the tour. My wig was snatched off. So this is me right now. Hey, 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 hey. Hey.
Hey, whoa.
Hey, Danielle. She can't see her eyes. What'd you get? We're daring her to drink the Bloody Marys. It's not great.
can do it. I'm gonna do it, but now like I don't want it.
There's $50 on the line, man.
Wait, take it slow. It's not bad. You take it slow. So don't stop.
I don't want to touch
Oh, but she's doing it though. Fit check. Yeah.
Hey, what's going on? Oh, I want to see how they split. Yeah, I want to see what.
Oh, we're still doing this.
You want to see how the light looks like here?
Is that so?
Hey.
Is that so? Is that so? Yes, Irene. Yes, Irene, with the turn. There's some festivities going on there. Skin check. I'm a little oily. I'm very oily actually, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Just came from Beacon's Closet. They're expensive, but we got Irene a
Gucci bag.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. I'm gonna steal it from her, but we're just not gonna tell her that yet.
Oh my God.
So we're at Nobu. You want to be in the vlog?
Bring it back. Bring it back. Can you get my shoes too?
Alright, so shoe cam. Ready?
Hold on, you gotta put the flash on the shoe.
It's on, I think.
Ah, yeah.
And whole highlights that.
Am I supposed to talk on it?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. I can vlog.
Tell us the price of, like Drake did. Tell us the price of how much is the jacket?
The jacket was $21.
Ting.
This one is quality. I don't know the price.
From where? Saint Laurent.
This one is $21.
Forever 21 men's.
Yeah, you know I do 21. This one is for my brother's wedding. The socks.
The socks is from the brothers. Ting.
Yeah, and then this was from my plug.
From your plug. And what type of shoes are these, sir?
These are the Yeezys 350s, I think. I don't really know.
How much do they run usually?
They're not that expensive. You get them for $220. I mean, they're resale. I don't know. I don't remember. I got mine for $220.
But you as a whole, you're priceless, sir.
Thank you.
Priceless.
I just want to say hi to Kim.
Kim,
please, edit it right so I look nice. Please, don't make me look,
You gonna look nice.
Thank you.
You're gonna be okay. You is crazy. The prices, guys.
We're just gonna have to tell them now, right?
We're waiting for the cheers. Because this channel is now Kennedy's channel.
Kennedy's vlog.
Kennedy's Renaissance.
K&K vlog. We already know how we do
That never happened. You're evil.
Yo, you already know what time it is. This is the K&K vlogging.
The K&K vlogging.
Yeah, Kennedy and Kim.
It's not, yeah, thank you. You guys, I look dusty, so you're not gonna see my face right now.
K&K vlog.
Okay.
K&K vlog. Oh, stop. This K&K vlog. I gotta be in the vlog so that Kim will take it.
So today, because I'm dusty, Kennedy's taking over because he looks good. We have a little, she looks great too. We have a little tiger, a little photo booth. This is 235th rooftop brunch situation. That's how dusty I look, guys. I was so tired this morning.